Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to disable startup app. That's why your issue will. That's why your system will start very slow. So click to start and type task manager. Open it full screen. Now you can see this is startup app. So startup app means without you're allowing it will open and it's run in the background. That's why you're using this RAM and processor. So like this is Xbox, this is actually disable, and if you want to enable, so otherwise right click and otherwise options there in the upper right hand side. Okay, so yeah, this is a file and terminal not required. This is security. So yeah, this is required for your system Windows security. Yeah, and OneDrive, this is also if required, so you can, otherwise it will open in the taskbar. Okay, so Microsoft Team and this. So anything you need means this is totally open without your allowing. It will continuously work in your background, and they required the use this your RAM and processor and like that. Okay, like this things you can see setting.